In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the organometallic chemistry. Through terms, you can see we are talking about those compounds which have at least one metal carbon bond. In general way, you can say that a organometallic compound is a transition state between the organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry. When we move from the organic chemistry to inorganic chemistry, there is a transition phase, that is activated complex form, that is called organometallic derivative, that is highly reactive, and that's why it have lot of application. Now, first we will discuss about the definition of organometallic derivative. Organometallic compounds are those compounds that have at least a metal carbon bond. The nature of this metal carbon bond must be ionic or covalent in nature. These bonds may be localized or delocalized between one or more carbon atom of an organic group. A metal can be, this metal can be transition metal, 4D block metal, 3D series, 4D series, 5D series, or it can be lanthanide or actinide along with all main group metal atoms except some metal bond. Along with this, metal carbonyls are also studied under the era of organometallic chemistry because property, chemical and physical property are almost very close to the organometallic derivative. Along with this, organoborane, organosilicon, organoarsenic, organoselenium and organotellurium compounds are also included as organometallic chemistry by the Journal of Organometallic Chemistry. Here we are showing some examples that have some organic group and metal. This is an organic group, 4 organic group are attached with this titanium metal atom, but through the oxygen bond. That's why it did not consider as a organometallic compound. Second example also you can see here, that is iron have 3 organic group, but all 3 organic group attached through the sulfur atom. That's why it also did not consider under the era of organometallic derivative. One more example here, calcium metal, that is main group metal, have bonded through the organic group through nitrogen. This is also did not consider under the organometallic derivative. But this example, if you compare with first one, there is one methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl. One butoxy group is being replaced with phenyl ligand. Then there is a direct metal carbon bond formation takes place. Due to this carbon metal bond presence, this compound now we will consider as a organometallic compound. One more example we are showing here, that is a cyclopentadiene ring containing zirconium complex. This cyclopentadiene containing ring can bind many way, two way to the zirconium metal atom. First, this is a direct metal carbon bond, but this metal carbon bond are localized, that is a localized bond between the carbon and metal atom. Both ligand have same nature. Another way it can form, that is one bond is localized and another bond is delocalized between the all 5 carbon atom of the cyclopentadiene ring. Another more probability, that is both ring can be delocalized bond formation takes place with the metal atom. About this we will discuss in the next lecture on the topic of hapticity. It depends upon the nature of the stability of the metal and how much electron it required to make a stable complexes. On the basis of these derivatives, if we go through the derivative, you can find here that one common thing, that all compounds have at least organic group and metal. So that combinedly these type, but you can divide into two types. Some compounds that don't have metal carbon bond, but some compounds that have metal carbon bond. So combined these two types of derivative will be considered as a metallo-organic. So in other words, you can say the term organic derivative of metals included both these type of derivatives are called metalloorganic. Some more broader definition of the organometallic are shown here on the basis of difference of electronegativity. The term organometallic will be prohibited with the derivative of nitrogen, where electronegativity is 3, oxygen 3.5, sulfur 2.6, fluorine 4 and chlorine 3.0, bromine 2.8 and iodine 2.7, only because its electronegativity value are greater than 2.5. Yani only those element derivative we will consider as a organometallic derivative that electronegativity value is less than the carbon. But the derivative of phosphorus that have less than 2.5, the value is 2.2 electron, deal within the organic chemistry. Along with this derivative of selenium, it is 2.6, it is greater than this, but have very close similarity with that of tellurium chemistry, so it deal within the organometallic chemistry. Now some exceptions of organometallic compound that have direct metal carbon bond but did not consider as a organometallic compound, like calcium carbide, mercury cyanide and iron cyanogen complexes. Here in these complexes a direct metal bond are present but not included in organometallic list because its chemical and physical property are almost similar to Werner complex. So study under thereof in organic chemistry. Now some historical account we are showing here, that is tetramethyl diarsine was the first organometallic compound, probably was the first organometallic compound isolated in 1760. It is a reddish brown fuming liquid which also called crocodile due to its bad smell. This compound was accidentally prepared when a research group are working on the preparation of the invisible ink with the help of cobalt complexes. In cobalt complexes, some arsenic oxides are also present. That arsenic oxide accidentally methylation takes place and give a tetramethyl diarsine, that is called crocodile. It was prepared in 1842 by Robert Bunsen. Bunsen partially lost the sight in one of his eye due to crocodile exploded accidentally. So these compounds are also dangerous. So be careful during the handling of the organometallic compound. Similarly, Edward Franklin observed a greenish blue flame several feet long shoot out of the tube when he was trying the action of water on the residue in the tube used for preparing methyl from methyl iodide and zinc. But he was lucky, he was safe. After this platinum alkene complexes was prepared by the W.C. Jesus in 1827 and 1831 respectively. The second one is also called the Jesus salt. Here also carbon metal bond present, but these bonds are delocalized between the both carbon atoms. That is, this ethylene is bonded in a eta 2 hapticity. In 1849, Edward Franklin, he is the British student of Bunsen, had accidentally prepared diethyl zinc when he wished to prepare diethyl radical. This ethyl radical he wanted to prepare by the treatment of ethyl iodide with zinc. He thought that zinc iodide will be prepared and ethyl radical is generated. But instead of the ethyl radical, he was able to characterize it as a diethyl zinc, that is an organometallic compound. Franklin was able to put down the foundation of organometallic chemistry. After the discovery of this organozinc compound, he extended his study on organocadmium, organomercury, organotin, organolead and silicon. Then he put the foundation of the organometallic chemistry. Thereafter, Grignard reagent was prepared or discovered by Victor Grignard in 1900. For this, he was awarded also Nobel Prize. Thereafter, Alkyl lithium derivative was also discovered in 1970 by W. Schlenk and J. Hood, but its proper methods were developed by Ziegler in 1930. Thereafter, it was started used in the laboratory and industry for the development of several derivatives of organic and inorganic derivatives. K. Ziegler from Germany and J. Natta from Italy in 1963 received Nobel Prize for the development of polymerization catalyst, that is a mixture of titanium tetrachloride and ethyl aluminum complex used for the polymerization of for polythene. Professor S. C. Brown received Nobel Prize in 1977 for the development of hydroboration reaction. After this, Wilkinson and E.O. Fisher shared Nobel Prize for discovery of ferrocene in 1973. The term ferrocene was given by the Wittig in 1952 as a sandwich structure. After this, the Wilkinson and Fisher and Cotton explored the organometallic chemistry of almost all transition elements. This is some biological role of the organometallic compound. Here we are showing this is a arsenic acid. You can see here this is arsenic acid. In late 19th century, sodium salt of this arsenic acid was used as a etoxyl as injection, but later it was prohibited after it was found that it is also toxic for human beings. While next one, this is salvarsan is also a organoarsenic compound. This was used in the treatment of syphilis disease. Thereafter, this is a Gaussian gas. Gaussian gas is a trimethyl arsine. In early 1830, there was an epidemic disease, that is sudden death of infants due to unknown cause. After this, Gaussian investigated that this gas was produced by fungus growing inside the house, because at that time wallpaper were most commonly used that contain arsenical compound. Yeah. In this way, this fungus react with this arsenic derivative, give a highly vaporable poisonous gas that called trimethyl arsine, that is considered as a Gaussian gas. Next one, this is a leucide, that is called war gas also. This was manufactured by US, Japan, Germany and Soviet Union for use as a chemical weapon. Thereafter, you can see this is a mercury derivative. This is called merthiolate. It used to prevent skin infection and also used to clean wounds. Next is mercurochrome. This compound is used as antiseptic to prevent infection on small cuts. Now we are discussing the role of organoselenium compound. The latest discovery on the organoselenium compound, it is considered as a 21st amino acid, that is a L-selenocysteine. Role of selenium in biology is an essential element for mammals, including human. Its deficiency causes thyroid disease. L-selenocysteine is associated with the antioxidant siloenzyme, that is called glutathione peroxidase, and deiodinated enzyme is iodothionein deiodinase. Glutathione peroxidase is a mammalian selenoproteins, catalyze the reduction of harmful hydroperoxide, protect cell membrane against oxidative damage. Nowadays, a selenium source is available as in the market. This is a structure of silocysteine, that is considered as a 21st amino acid. Now, this is a methyl covalent nucleus. This is a basic unit of present in the vitamin B12 coenzyme. Between 1953 and 1964, a Minamata disease was spread in Japan near to seashore. due to methyl mercury cation. This methyl mercury cation was generated in the sea bottom of sea. That methyl mercury cation was absorbed by the several fish. That contaminated fish consumed by the fish family. So this special disease was only spread in the fish family. After this, mercury use is prohibited in the Europe country. Some organoleptic compounds also employed as biocides, that is insecticides, pesticides, fungicides, herbicides, etc. Now use of mercury was banned in many countries after established minimata disease. After extensive use of organotin as biocidal and as stabilizer for polyvinyl chloride, due to this a lot of organotin released in environment caused 102 deaths. In France in 1954 by the use of diethyltin diiodide. The key aspect of lead in the body is that lead-2 cation can be absorbed through the intestine and it is stored in bone because lead-2 plus have a similar ionic radius of calcium-2 plus can substitute for calcium-2 plus in hydroxyapatite. Lead has been added to fuel in the form of tetraethyl or tetramethylate since 1920 to suppress the knocking. Besides these, a well-established consumption of organolead derivative as gasoline additive for spark ignition engine. Due to this, the possible effect on human beings, now many countries had already reduced the production of ethyl lead anti-knocking compounds. In next lecture, we will learn about the classification based on the hapticity and their nature of the bond. Along with this, we also learn about the active electron role. In this lecture, we first learn about the definition of organometallic compounds and then their historical background and their usage in the biological era. The content I have taken from the inorganic chemistry book, that is J.E. Hui, inorganic chemistry, Silver and Atkins, and inorganic chemistry by J.E. House.